As the first light kisses the sacred Ganga, Banaras awakens, not to a new day, but to an eternal rhythm older than time itself. Here, every stone, every ripple of the river carries the memory of countless souls, seekers, sinners, and saints. In every face, a story, in every lamp, a hope, a tiny flame against the vastness of existence. The bells call out not just to gods above, but to the divinity within. Welcome to another episode of My Banaras Journey. Here I showed how the Sarnath changed my life.
Hello everyone, so I have visited Kashi Vishwanath temple and now again I'm on Rapido and I'm going to visit Sarnath. There I will visit the Tibet temple and the Sarnath place as well. And there is a very much crowd today. Today is a weekend as well. I still remember this place. I have came earlier with my mother and my bua. Okay. So I little remembering all those and Banaras traffic. Oh my God. So here I think we used to live. So here already the winter blankets and all are available. So this is a dal mandi and मतलब इसके अंदर मार्केट है क्या? अच्छा. Okay. And there is a market. People says that. Okay. People says that what we buy in Dubai in higher price, you can get the same thing in a cheaper price here. So yeah, that's the place. And it's a very big market I can see. The Dal Mandi, the total place. Let's go. So we have we have reached the road towards Sarnath because earlier it was a very harsh traffic and I couldn't capture mostly, but now the road is moreover pleasant and I am feeling happy to ride in this road. So I think soon we will reach Sarnath. Somewhat it's like a long route, but it's better to beat that traffic actually. So that's why I have taken this road. So yeah, let's. So this is a Buddhist temple here. And I will go inside. I don't know if the camera is allowed here or not, but yeah, let me check. Okay, so this is the Cambodian monastery.
Built by the Cambodian government, the Cambodian monastery at Sarnath stands as a symbol of Buddhist unity and shared heritage. The monastery's architecture reflects the traditional Khmer design, intricate carvings, tried golden roofs, and statues of Buddha that mirror Cambodia's ancient temples.
So this Tibetan monastery is closed right now. It will open in 2:30. So yeah, I think I have came in wrong time, so I will just pray to him and we'll go back. Well, today Shiv Maharaj might be like he didn't want me to see him today.
Wait. Now, the reason of my this statement is because I will share a experience with you for my visit to Vishwanath temple. That day, early morning, very early morning, around it was 7 a.m. I started and I reached there around 8 a.m. So after that, I got to know that there are some VIP passes available, and you can you can buy the coupon for the VIP pass, and you can enter. So where the dalas or the puja ka thalis were available, they told me you can get the coupon of 300 rupees and you can avoid the queue mostly. So I went there, and one pujari, or I don't know if he is even pujari or panda, like who is it? Who was it? So he told me that if you give me 500 rupees, I will roam you around to the whole mandir, Vishwanath mandir, as well as I will make you do the puja inside. I said okay, why not? Because I wanted to, do the pujas for my family and my friends' family as well. So I thought, okay, let's. It's 500 rupees. I can manage it. But the scam starts from there. The panda. I hate saying him panda, but that person not yet let me do the puja inside. That time, some mantri or some minister came, and they didn't even let me see Vishwanath ji properly. From outside only, I could see him, and as well as he took me to some places, some small mandirs, and everywhere he took money from me, and I have spent around 3000 and 3500 rupees out there. So beware, guys. If you just go want to do the darshan, you don't have to bring any dalas, or if you do want to give the pujas, give the offerings, you only buy the puja kathala from outside and just get the coupon 300 rupees, and no, never listen to anyone that I will make you do these pujas and all, because 90% or 99% people are only there for business. So I'm not demeaning someone, but it was my personal experience and I didn't like it. That's why, I was angry AF. I was literally angry AF. And when I went to visit Sarnath, when I just started the road towards Sarnath, the anger came down from my head to toe. So yeah, that's a small message to all of you who are visiting, or you already have visited. If you guys have faced any issues like this, please comment below. I want to hear about your experience, and if you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the below comments.
But Buddha let me see him. I could go to the place. I could go to the Tibetan monastery inside, and I took some photographs. I took some video. I will show it. I will show to you. And yeah, that's it. I'm happy. I'm happy. So I can see there are a lot of Tibetan restaurants there. So yeah, you can have some snacks and or lunch, whatever you want here. Now I'm going forward to the Sarnath temple. यहाँ बहुत शांति मिल रहा है। अच्छा ये कॉलेज है। Okay, this is a Chinese Buddhist temple. Let me go there. जी भैया, हम ये बनारस के गलियों से गुजरते हुए जा रहे हैं सारनाथ एंड आई हैव मस्ट माई सेल्फ। देयर इज पोल्यूशन एंड बट द प्लेस इज प्लेजेंट, द वेदर इज प्लेजेंट, बट आई कैन से देयर आर वेरी ओल्ड प्लेसेस। ये कौन सा है? अच्छा अच्छा, दिस इज द संस्कृत यूनिवर्सिटी. दिस इज अ वेरी ओल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी एक्चुअली. The traffic is very rush. So I have reached the Sarnath temple and the students are here. I can see. तो excursion में ऐसे यहाँ पर आते हैं, right?
हाँ, घूमने के लिए.
Okay. So this is the whole place. Behind me you are seeing the Sarnath temple, and right now I'm going towards the stupa. There's a stupa. It's around 2000 year old.
300 years.
300 years old, and we'll watch it. And King Ashoka built this, so we'll go there. We'll show you how it is. It's a very pretty place, and all this wall paintings has been taken care of actually very pretty well. And this is Chaukhandi Stupa. So I think it's visible. So what? Now you are seeing the POV view. So I will take some photographs, and it's a very nice place actually. So it's a park actually. People are sitting around, I can see. So within 20 rupees you can spend a leisure time here. And yeah, this is a very calming place, so I'm really liking it. I think okay, people are up there. As you can, if you can see, I will not go much.
After visiting Chaukhandi, I went to the Archaeological Museum of Sarnath. It was a marvel place where the ancient stupas and ancient archaeological structures has been preserved. It was very nice place, and it took somewhat 100 rupees as entry free, and it was really nice to visit under the museum.
And
This was my visit to Sarnath, and it made me calm and gave me the serenity to live happily. As I sit in this humble wooden boat, gently gliding across the Ganga, time feels still. The chaos of the world fades behind me, and all that remains is the river, the ancient, sacred, and eternal. Banaras has a way of slowing you down. Here, every sunrise is a prayer, every ghat a story. Every dip of the oar in this holy water feels like a heartbeat. This solo journey wasn't about checking place off a list, it was about finding silence amidst sound. And in this moment, drifting through the golden light, I feel a quiet kind of peace I didn't even know I was searching for. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If this brought you even a little closer to calm, then it was all worth it. I ended that day with the famous Raju Bhaiya Ka Thandai, and also on our dormitory roof there was a musical arrangement which was marvelous. So again, travelers, signing off.